the National Exercise Referral Scheme. Transition sessions are a really important opportunity. It's been developed in partnership with Better, the NERS team here in Cardiff and Move More, to be able to provide the opportunity and bridge that gap between the 16-week NERS course, the exercise referral course, and then actually going on to sustaining physical activity after you've completed it. It provides a safe environment that people are familiar with and also continues to provide that sense of unity as they exit the course itself.
It can be daunting as a first-timer walking into a class where the instructor already knows the people. So for me, getting recommendations to come to my class, they know that I'm going to explain everything, I'm going to take my time, I'm going to allow them to take their time and work at their own pace. The improvements that I generally see are just the way that they're carrying out their daily activities, how they're picking up their shopping. Were they able to get out of bed without moaning and groaning? And probably the biggest one is time spent with their grandchildren. Being able to take them to the park, pick them up, play with them. As an instructor, for me, just hearing that their daily life is getting easier, more manageable, is what makes my job such a joy.
If you are interested in finding out more about our 60+ opportunities or just want to give something a go, then visit our website or come down to one of our local providers.